Sbu, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Godfrey.
I saw when I was talking about Harita, you were looking completely blank, and I was thinking to myself, nah, you were not born, you were not there. Let's talk about what you have been doing in the past year. Organic growth looks good. Acquisitions look good. Are you in that sweet spot?
Certainly, I guess we are back in the spot where we know Adapt IT to be. Our last financial results was a bit challenging, but we managed to get sufficient growth.
Yeah.
But this growth is much better because if I look at also the margins that we've achieved, our EBITDA margins are sitting at 20%.
Yeah.
Our cash generation is high. It tracks our EBITDA. So we're quite pleased with where we're ending up.
Where did you get that growth? Because everyone who's passing through that chair where you are sitting on speaks of a difficult trading environment, difficult South African economy. And here you are, you're saying you're finding that growth. Did you have to do anything different to what you've been doing over the years, or is this a function of plans that have been laid before?
Well, our stated intent is to be a Pan-African business.
And you are getting there, I can see,
yes,
because I'm seeing a lot of names here. Ghana, Zambia, Tanzania, Mozambique, Namibia, Malawi, Swaziland. I could go on.
Certainly. So we aimed at saying, since the South African market isn't growing as fast as we would like to, let's look at strengthening our Pan-African presence.
Okay.
So we have our offices in Botswana, and where we're generating quite some large sales for our software. We're also looking at a market, and we've set up an office or a presence in Kenya, and we're looking at a company now in Nigeria with the view of ensuring that, because when we set up these presence, what it does is it gives us a channel where we can work with partners who understand the local market to sell our software. And when we sell software, we make money.
Right.
So that's what we do.
So what are you doing in Nigeria? You're setting up that company. Is that to grow organically, or are you looking to use that office to reach out and see what's available?
So what we do is initially we grow organically, because in that market we already have customers.
Yeah.
And we've been flying up to go and service those customers. Mm-hmm. Setting up a local presence allows us to then have access to the market directly, but also ensure that we can start creating local employment to get people who can support our software, so that our customers always have local support.
Sure. Give me a little more about that Africa strategy. What are you trying to do? To what extent do you want that business to become in terms of the overall size of the business?
So we are looking at our Africa business to be at least half of our overall business. Sure. Currently, we are sitting at 19% outside of South Africa, 13% from the rest of Africa. We believe, it can certainly grow. And why we believe that is because our solutions are relevant for the markets that we target across Africa.
Right.
And that has been tested, because we have clients across Africa, as you said, across 53 countries.
Sure.
But we haven't quite exhausted those markets because we don't have local presence in those markets.
Yeah. And time frame?
Time frames
to reach that 50%?
I guess we're looking at the next 5 years.
Okay.
For our business. But our diversification is not only aimed at Africa. We're seeing very good international exposure for our software, where international companies, for example, in the Australasian market, we're gaining good traction. But that just shows that we're building world-class software, which can be distributed internationally.
Yeah.
So the world is our target, but with a focus on Africa.
You are the fourth industrial revolution, right?
Sure.
Give us a sense of how you are advancing on that front, and what kind of new products, new thinking you're bringing onto the market.
Well, in our business, we're already incorporating the Internet of Things. So that means looking at connectivity of devices, connectivity that enables the advent of machine learning, that enables us to be able to get new answers to our clients in a quick and concise way.
Yeah.
So as a business, we're a software as a service business.
Yeah.
So that means our software is available as a service to our clients. And so there's a lot of innovation that we continue to do that will lead us to be the leader in software
And a lot of
Africa.
adaptation, because your name is adapted, right?
Excuse the pun.
Thank you for saying it for me. Thank you. That's Sbu Shabalala, the CEO of Adapt It.